welcome to the first episode of Cooking is Really Easy. So today we are going to cook the most comfortable food in the entire world, fried chicken. So let's get started. All-purpose flour, buttermilk, bone-in chicken. So I'm using legs and thighs. So in total I'm using 6 pieces, 3 legs, 3 thighs. Now we'll add the buttermilk, 1 teaspoon salt, chili powder or paprika, black pepper, garlic powder. Now we'll mix this everything together. Now we'll keep it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. 1.5 cup of white flour, salt first, red chili or paprika, black pepper, garlic powder. Mix it well. So we take out the chicken from the wet batter and put it in the dry batter. Cover all the sides. Make sure it's covered properly. Take off the excessive. Now we'll transfer this on a baking sheet or in a tray. Now we're gonna add the oil. Now we'll add the chicken. Slowly, skin side down. So here we have the final product. Let's give it a try. Oh man, the chicken looks so crispy. So good. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And see you next time.